A body of mass 0.5 kg is projected under gravity with a speed of 98 meter per second at an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical. The change in momentum in magnitude of the body when it reaches the ground is. According to the problem, a mass 0.5 kg is projected under gravity with a speed of 98 meter per second at an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical. Let us suppose this as horizontal and this as vertical. So a body is projected at an angle of 30 degrees with the vertical with an initial speed 98 meter per second. So it traces a parabolic path and reaches the ground. The mass of this object is given as half kg. Its initial velocity vector is written as u bar equals to u cos 30 degrees j cap plus u sin 30 degrees I cap. So on simplification of this, you get u bar equals to 49 times of I cap plus root 3 j cap. The initial momentum of the mass is given by m u bar, which is equal to 49 upon 2 times of I cap plus root 3 j cap. The time after which the body reaches the ground is given by time of flight equals to 2 times of vertical component of initial velocity, that is u cos 30 degrees upon g. So it is equal to 2 times of 49 root 3 upon 9.8, which is equal to 10 root 3 seconds. Velocity of this projectile at the end of time of flight is given by v bar equals to u sin 30 I cap plus u cos 30 minus g tf j cap. Since in horizontal direction, as we have no forces, horizontal component of velocity remains the same in the initial velocity vector and final velocity vector. But in vertical direction, we have gravitational force acting, so we will have change in velocity in vertical direction. So initial vertical velocity is u cos 30 and now it is u cos 30 minus gtf. So on substituting the values, we get v bar equals to as 49 I cap plus 49 root 3 minus 9.8 multiplied by 10 root 3 j cap. So v bar is equal to 49 I cap minus 49 root 3 j cap. So final momentum is given by mass multiplied by v bar, which is equal to 49 by 2 times of I cap minus root 3 j cap. Change in momentum is given by final momentum minus initial momentum. Substituting the values in this equation, we get change in momentum equal to as 49 times of root 3 minus j cap. But in problem he is asking the magnitude of change in momentum. So magnitude of change in momentum is equal to 49 root 3 kg meter per second. Therefore, the correct option is 2.